Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to solve media sound problem on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now first of all, just check your smartphone speakers if they are not blocked by any dust or debris. Just like that. Now once you have done that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. Now from here, just make sure that your smartphone is not on mute. If your smartphone is on mute, just select sound. Now after that, just scroll down and tap on volume. Now from here, just make sure to increase the slider of the media sound from here, just like that. Now once you have done that, just go back. Now from here, just tap on notifications. Now just tap on Do Not Disturb. From here, if Do Not Disturb is enabled on your smartphone, just disable Do Not Disturb mode. Now after that, just go back. From here, just scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now just tap on Hearing Enhancements. Now from here, just scroll down. Now, if mute all sounds is enabled on your smartphone, just disable mute all sounds, just like that. Now, if this did not fix your issue, just go back and tap on General Management. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Reset. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Reset All Settings. Now just tap on Reset Settings. Now from here, just enter your lock screen password and tap on Continue. Now from here, just tap on Reset. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to reset all the settings on your smartphone. Now this will not delete any data from your smartphone. It will just reset all the settings on your smartphone. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to reboot. Now, as you can see, our smartphone has finished rebooting. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with the speakers on your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can solve the media sound problem on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.